Hey, good afternoon. Rob here with Never Too Old. Today we're going to try out a new lake. I checked the ice earlier and it was safe. I didn't really plan on going fishing today, but it's just worked out that way. So we'll take you along and see if we catch anything. Let's go. Just getting out on the ice, I seen a pleated woodpecker in the parking lot. Then I get out here on the lake and I just had a bald eagle fly across. Uh, Never have the camera out when I need it. That was freaking cool. So if you're wondering what I'm using a 36-inch rod, a little ultralight ice reel, and a little 4mm tungsten jig. That's basically both of my rod setups. I just have a little jet sled, a couple buckets set on, put my stuff in, a little hand auger, my Markham, and a little lantern, rechargeable, and my spud. That's basically all I have right now. Later on in the season, I might bring out some tip-ups. There's bite. Got him. Oh, decent gill. Drop back down there. Marking some on the screen, they just don't want to bite. Be my first time out on this lake this year. Probably bounced around quite a bit, only use one rod. So I've been out here about an hour. I've moved around a little bit. I caught that one bluegill. Besides that, I haven't really marked anything. But it's still early. I'm the only one out here, so that's kind of nice. So if anything happens, we'll let you know. All by myself. Well, still pretty slow. But I'm just happy to be out on a different lake. I could have went to that other lake and probably caught more fish so far. It's nice to get a little variety. And this lake can produce some quality fish. Even though I'm not keeping them, it's still fun to catch bigger stuff. If you happen to know what lake this is, please do not mention it in the comments. I'll let you know it is in Newaygo County. Start making my way around to some of these other holes again until I find them, if I find them. Still pretty slow. Starting to mark a few fish here and there. Had one bite, I missed it. I got some fish just off bottom right now. They don't want to touch it. Oh, there's a bite. Got him. Little guy from the feels of it. Still a fish. I'm honestly surprised no one's came out here. Got him. yeah, that's a nice gill. Nice one. See if I can get another bite. Well, I wasn't filming, but I just caught this nice little bass. Well, I'm going to wrap it up a little early. I got a few things to do. Like I said, I originally didn't plan on coming out, so it was just a bonus trip. Hope you enjoyed the video, and remember, you're never too old for adventure, no matter how big or small it may be. We'll see you out here next time. Have a good night.